Hello guys, you're welcome back to Volmage Fit. You're welcome to another free and beautiful tutorial. So today we're going to be learning how to take your appropriate body measurement. Please, if this is your first time on this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new tutorial video. Do not forget to share this video to people who you think might be interested to learn about this, because this video is going to be packed with details on how to take your body measurement step by step. Just to hint on this, please take note that everybody has their own unique figure, so definitely body measurement differs from person to person. Now, without wasting much time, let's get into the tutorial proper. So here I have my chest line, which can also be called the over bust line for females, and this part is usually used when drafting your over bust corset. So the next one is the bust point or the nipple to nipple measurement, and here is the under bust line directly under the bust, and this is where your bra top stops. So the next measurement is your waistline. This can also be called your half length or your natural waistline. And this measurement is taken on the part where your waist can bend from side to side. So you can see it's the tiniest part of the upper torso. So here is the lower waistline, which is just a bit below the natural waistline, especially for those making trousers. So you can have your high waist trouser and your low waist trouser. The next is your crotch line, and this part can also be called your front body rise. So the next measurement is your hip measurement. This part is taken on the fullest part of your lower torso. Just like you can see right on the mannequin, it is the fullest part of its lower torso. And this measurement is usually between 8, 9, 10, 11 inches below the waistline, depending on the body measurement. So next you have your thigh measurement or your lap measurement, and this is usually about 2 to 2.5 inches below the hips measurement. This measurement is taken around the fullest part of your thigh or your lap. Now here is the knee line, which is the middle part between your lower waistline and your ankle. The next measurement is your calf. This part is very important when taking your fitted trouser measurement. So this is the fullest part on the lower leg. So the next one is your cuff measurement or your ankle measurement, and this is the tiniest part of your lower torso. The next is your shoulders. This is taken across the neckline from one end to the other end, and this measurement is taken from where your arm joins your body. That's where you have the joints that your arm can twist and turn, so it is from one end to the other end. The last I have here is the back waistline. This is done because our front waistline and our back waistline are of different measurements. So if I should turn this, you can see where the front waistline is and where the back waistline is. They are of different length. This is usually taken to avoid zipper bulge and to make your dress relax very well on your back. And this measurement is taken for a better fit across the back. So the next measurement we're going to start taking is our vertical body measurement. So this measurement starts from your shoulder line where you have your collar starts from. So you place your tape directly on this point, and from there you take all your vertical body measurement. So the first one we're going to be taking is from our shoulder to our chest line. So I'll be using this mannequin. Please remember, body differs, so everybody has their own unique body measurement. So I'll be using this mannequin as an example. So we have the shoulder to chest line at this point, and on this mannequin it's about 5.5 inches. So the next is the bust point, and on this mannequin it's about 9.5 inches. So the next is the under bust line. Please, when taking this measurement, make sure your tape is starting from this point. I have my tape on my shoulder line, and then you take it across the bust point through the nipple line to the under bust where your bra stops. And on my mannequin I have 13 inches, as you can see. The next is the waistline. Like I said, this is the tiniest part on the upper torso. I'm going to take the lower waistline, especially for trousers. Please take note when taking down your measurement, make sure your tape starts from this point and not shifting it to where you have your arm start from. So if you should take your measurement from here, you are going to have your measurement all wrong. So please make sure your tape starts from this point, just where your collar starts from. So we're going to take our hip line for our shoulder to hip line, so you can see how it is. Make sure your tape is going across your bust, and it should be across the fullest part of your bust, which is the nipple area. So you just take it through the nipple down to your hip, and also do the same thing to take your full length. Now this is how to take your body circumference or your horizontal measurement. So let's start with the bust. When taking your horizontal measurement, make sure your finger is going across it to check for easy and better fit. And when taking it, do not put all your fingers into your tape. If you do this, you're going to have a wrong measurement. So place just one finger in between your tape like I did it there. So do the same thing for your under bust measurement. Just place one finger in between your tape roll and your body. So this way you're going to have a very good fit for whatever you are making. So the next is the waist measurement or your half length, and you can see the way I am placing the tape roll across it to make sure it is well fitted and not too tight or too loose. The same thing goes for the lower waistline. So you can see how I'm placing my finger across it. But if you want to measure for a trouser or a skirt, make sure to tighten your tape roll across your waist. So here is the hip line, and taking this measurement, it is across the fullest part of your lower torso. So when taking this measurement, make sure you check for ease, for it not to be too tight or too loose. So here is the thigh measurement or the lap measurement. Like I said earlier, it is taken on the fullest part around your thigh or your lap. So for my mannequin, I have about 22 inches. You can see how I placed my finger in between the mannequin and my tape roll. So the next is the knee line. When taking this measurement, especially for trousers or shorts that reaches the knee, make sure you tilt your knee to the front, or you bend your knee to the front where you can have some ease, so that when you take the measurement you have some space, except you are using a very stretchy fabric, that you will not have any problems with walking or sitting down with ease. So for the fitted knee measurement for my mannequin, I have 14.5 inches or 14.5 inches. So you do the same thing for the calf measurement. This is taken usually when your pants is a very fitted one. The next measurement I'll be taking is the shoulder measurement. So you can see how I'm placing my tape roll from one end of the shoulder line to the other end of the shoulder line. So for my mannequin, I have about 13 inches. The last measurement I'll be taking here is the shoulder to the back waistline. So you place your tape roll starting from the shoulder line, from this point across your back to where your back waistline stops. And this measurement is usually about 1.5 to 2 inches or 2.5 inches difference from your front waistline. So guys, we have come to the end of this very short and detailed tutorial, and I hope it was really helpful to you, and I hope that you have learned how to take your proper body measurement. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you, and also drop your comments or your questions below. And please do not forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, and share this video to those who you think it might help to learn how to take their proper body measurements. From here, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.